too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. Sitting down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to.
Alright, so I have taken the board for 2 miles now according to the app, and so far so good. I like it. I immediately found out, however, that the beginner mode is good for about 35 seconds. I mean, with my weight, I'm about 185, so that 30% acceleration literally takes every bit of strength the board has to get up to that speed. And then the intermediate is nice, but you can feel right when it hits that peak of that 14, and it wants to keep going, but it tops out because of the safety setting. So there's that. And then the board shipped with the front trucks really loose, so I'm definitely glad I progressed. I've gone through all 3 modes, done a couple laps around this neighborhood, and I like the board so far. Gonna keep riding, try to get some more shots, and give some more thoughts afterwards. Just trying to take advantage of this weather before it rains, and I'm gonna do some more riding before the battery dies. I should have at least 5 more miles based off of the app, and take it from there. Okay, so I almost forgot to mention, I stopped riding the board to do this quick little interview because the remote started vibrating profusely. Couldn't really figure it out why, haven't figured it out yet still. I'm gonna keep riding until it does it again, and then I'll go in, read the user manual or get on the website and see what the deal is with that. I read something about it last night, but I don't remember what it was, so once I figure it out, I'll update you and put it in the video later.
There's nowhere to go, 'cause I am happy on this island. Wanna be my fatherland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
Alright, so a little disappointed right now. I don't know if it's a user error or if I need to just go ahead and start from scratch, but according to the app, I was only able to get 3 miles in, which is drastically under the advertised range. I know I'm a little bit on the heavier side, but I'm only coming in at 185, and I was riding on some like small hills and not the best roads, but 3 miles is kind of embarrassing. So I unfortunately don't have the second battery that I ordered yet, so I can't continue to ride right now. I'm gonna go in and charge this up and try to take it out again if the weather holds up. The radar says we're supposed to get some rain soon, so hopefully it's wrong and it dissipates or takes a different area. But so far I was only able to get 3 miles out of this. That was with combined spending a couple minutes, like 5 or so minutes on the beginner mode, probably 10 or so minutes in the intermediate, and then the rest of the time that I've been out here trying out the advanced mode. 3 miles is a joke. So far the board rides really well, but figuring out it's pretty intuitive. You know, I've watched a bunch of videos to kind of get some tips ahead of time, so had that going for me. But other than that, you know, I did confirm that the vibration was telling me that the board was getting ready to die, but the first time it happened, it still said I had medium low, which should still give me at least like a mile or 2 out of it. So I kept riding, and then probably another 2 minutes later, it started vibrating again and gave me the low warning. And since I was already at the end of my loop, I decided to go ahead and end there. like I said, disappointed. The app's only showing 3 miles. Maybe it's just the app not calculating well. I'm gonna go charge it and then try it again. Maybe I'll use a running app or something this time. That way I can get a better idea of how long it actually gives me distance-wise and take it from there. Updates to come.
We'll be right back.